Let's start off with the water test or liquid damage resistance test of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G and the Pro. Will it fail like the Redmi Note 8 or fail like the recently tested Realme Narzo 50i? The fact that the entire Note 11 series has been equipped with IP53 dust and water resistance certification may serve as a safety landing gear against liquid damage. But we can never say for sure what may happen, since as we very well know, electronics and water do not gel. It's another matter and very fortunate that Mi's IP53 rated devices have not yet failed as of now. It's not a surprise, the presence of oleophobic coating is definitely there, which Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco never cost cut on. It's great that the Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus 5G is not yet facing any early audio issues, a good sign in terms of initial liquid damage resistance, and we hope that it continues until the end of all rounds. Also, this is exactly the one and only reason why we have already crossed over to the light splashing round, the round which was responsible for the screen death and damage of the ill-fated Redmi Note 8 and 9. One of the rare cases where we have seen permanent display failure just by light splashes of water and the motherboard getting damaged. The audio is still going strong at this stage even after sufficient water abuse, and we are not yet facing any instances of headphone icon issue, black screen freezes or camera lens fogging seen multiple times on some devices. The Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus 5G is fighting strong against liquid damage, and the red rubber sealant seems to be doing its IP53 duties pretty well. We have to give credit where it's due, so hats off to Mi for being the only brand to give official IP ratings in the budget mid-range segment and not cost cutting in areas where it matters the most. We are thoroughly testing out the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G or Pro in terms of its structural build quality, scratch resistance standard of its tempered glass production, and as you just saw, it did awesomely well in the water test. If you missed the drop test disaster video, then you can watch it later by pressing the I button on the top right or at the end screen. The dual glass design and color looks and feels premium at this price range, weighing in at just 202 grams for a 6.67 inches AMOLED screen. It has a slight flex and some creaking in the trial bend. It has a 16 megapixel f2.5 wide selfie camera. At the main camera unit, we have the primary 108 megapixel wide angle lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel f2.4 lens each for macro and depth sensing. Xiaomi and Poco devices have a great track record in the scratch test, especially against the seal blade, consistently passing due to the use of high quality tempered glass protection, while the other component, which is oleophobic coating, already proved in the water test. On the other hand, multiple BBK and Realme devices have failed the blade due to poor quality tempered glass protection and the complete lack of oleophobic coating. If you're new or somehow unaware, the blade plays a major role in improving the scratch resistance quality of the glass protection. As we have seen earlier on multiple Mi devices, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G also handles the blade with ease and passes the scratch test. Next, on to fun stuff with value. The bend test proves the build quality and structural integrity of the body and design. Has Xiaomi improved the build from last year's failed Note 10 series? The first AMOLED side pressure does have a bit of flex and some creaking sound effects, but the body manages to hold up without kings or breaks. The second backside pressure seems to have lesser bend degree and feels much stronger compared to the first. Xiaomi has definitely done their homework and come up with a much better design and build compared to the disastrous Note 10 series design, passing the bend test quite easily. The Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G and Pro has an almost perfect build apart from the AMOLED damage in the drop test.
Just feels tight.